Hi there, if your MacBook battery is draining too fast, if your MacBook is turning off randomly, or it is running very slow, you can come to NZ Electronics Repair and we can fix it in just 30 minutes. But today, I'm also going to show you how you can replace the battery by your own. So this is a MacBook Pro and the model number is A1990, and let's get started with the repair. First you have to remove these 6 P5 screws using a P5 screwdriver. After that, you have to grab a suction cup and pipes like this. Be careful, there are locks in this and this position. Then you have to push it outside like this. So first you will need to disconnect the battery. So this is the connector for the battery. You have to pull it like this, and then you have to disconnect this using a T5 screwdriver and gently pull it up for like around 45 degrees so that it doesn't touch it. So after disconnecting the battery, you just take out this entire battery cable like this, and then use a P2 pentalobe screwdriver to remove these two screws. Then disconnect this trackpad cable. For that you will need to use a T4 screwdriver. Then disconnect it using a plastic prying tool. Now I will give you a personal tip that I use. You have to keep your screen like this so that when you pry using the plastic prying tool, and even if you apply pressure, so that your screen don't get cracked. So now let's go ahead and put some isopropyl alcohol on the both sides of the battery. Then use your plastic prying tool to pry under the battery. So this is the replacement part, and if you're also looking for high quality OEM batteries for your MacBook repairs, you can contact us at 0800 585 222, or you can buy this battery using the link in the description. So this is the new battery we just installed. Now for the reassembly. Then reconnect the trackpad cable and its bracket using a T4 screwdriver. Then after that, grab yourself a P2 pentalobe screwdriver and reinstall the screws for the battery. And finally install the back cover and its screws, and the repair is done. If you want to fix your MacBook in just 30 minutes, you can come to NZ Electronics Repair.